Hey y'all, hey, what's going on today? How y'all doing? How y'all feeling? Like any other day, I'm not gonna play your energy, I'm not gonna waste your time. I'm gonna get right to the message. With that being said, I'm gonna get a feel for the energy and we're gonna go from there. Okay, so what I'm seeing is that you have been slowly changing or progressing in some type of reality that you no longer limit yourself. You're no longer doubting yourself or what you can do. Okay? There was like this conflict or this how do you say, okay, so I'm saying it's like people wanted you to be confused as to who you are or what you came to this earth to do. Okay, they wanted to cause inner conflict, but you avoided that. Okay, by challenging that darkness, the unknown, walking into it. Okay, being courageous, and that's why you're leaving behind this old reality. Okay, you're walking away from all the toxicity, all the confusion. So it was like you had to make a decision. Are you going to keep allowing these energies to try to push you down into a hole? Or are you going to rise to the occasion and do what it is that you need to be doing? And you chose to do what you need to be doing. Okay, and that's why you're moving to a better existence, a more peaceful existence. Okay. Okay, so also what I'm seeing is that your divine counterpart, well, the counterpart that was sent to supposedly be your divine counterpart, they're in a sticky situation here. It looks like they have to make some type of difficult decision. They're like trying to figure out what their options are. They're confused. Okay, they don't feel like they're ready for such magnitude or the magnitude of some type of, okay, so the magnitude of a contract or a relationship, a deal, something like this, coming towards a divine feminine or a masculine. Take what resonates, you know your gender, put the placements where they go, okay? So there's some communication coming in rapidly here. Somebody sees a change or like the narrative was flipped. Like the truth is being outed or something like this. Hmm. Okay, it looks like since with the strength card, it's like you're showing the world and these people that you love yourself and you respect yourself, and you're not gonna let anybody push you or pull you in any kind of way that doesn't feel right for you or to you. Okay, there's no there's no one to persuade you to do something that you don't want to do or shouldn't be doing because you know who you are and you're standing in your power. Okay. Okay, now so we have this other energy here that has to retreat or walk away from you. Somebody that portrays themselves to have large amounts of confidence, but they really don't. Like inside, they're scared, they're lonely, but they're also greedy and malicious. Okay, 434 on my timestamp. Okay, it looks like with the Nine of Pentacles and the Moon card in reverse, it's like someone wants your divine counterpart. Okay, it's like somebody wants your divine counterpart, not so divine counterpart, to believe that you're a risky investment. like it's a bad deal, or like you're not their wish fulfillment. But the truth is being exposed here, like the star. A light is being shown on all these heretics. That's what I just heard. I'm about to look that up. Okay, so these heretics are being exposed. Clarity with the moon in reverse. I'll show you, spirit. I'll show you. You got the Five of Wands. Challenge. There's no longer an avoidance of conflicts, but you're not starting no conflicts. If they want it, they can get it. But now I'm hearing dream. So somebody may be attacking you in your dreams. 619 on the timestamp. What? How is that happening? Let's see. King of Cups. Okay, so I have you showing up as the King of Cups. Very empathic, okay? Very emotionally mature and balanced. Relying on your intuition or your inner tuition, okay? And learning from your past mistakes and moving past them, okay? Manifesting a new life, new gifts, new goals, new financial opportunities, loyalty and faithfulness. That could be a friendship, that can be a mate, or take what resonates. I feel like you've been very consistent with whatever it is that you're creating or what you're doing to help the planet elevate here. Then we have a King of Wands in reverse trying to end all of this for you, okay? Someone very reckless or ruthless, very forceful, someone who wants to instill fear into people, like they want to use fear as a method to making themselves seem more powerful, okay? This person wants to stop you from getting to this fulfillment. This person that you moved on from. Six of Pentacles. Somebody wants to come in and have some type of give and take relationship with you. Take what resonates. This person may want to give you a large sum of money to help you get your footing or grounding, because they see all the toxicity that you had to endure, and you did that, and they feel sad or depressed about it because they didn't do nothing. Okay, the Hangman in reverse. Let me see what this. Okay, basically, it seems like somebody was trying to shut you up or sit you down, and it didn't work out in their favor. I'm going to leave that right there. That's all I have for you today. I wish you an amazing rest of your day. And until next time, gratitude for listening.